So if a particular task is recurring, let's say for example, I need to buy groceries every week, let's say for example, then you can actually go ahead and click right here and then go to the date and time and select a particular time. Let's say I buy groceries every Saturday right here. Then you can go ahead and set out a time right here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and buy at 8 a.m. every morning. And here in the repeat, you can go ahead and set it to, let's say, for example, repeat it every day right here. Or you can set it to every week. So every week on Saturday right here. Or you can select multiple days as well. So you can go ahead and end this after a certain number of occurrences or choose never and press done. And once you do that, you can see that this now repeats weekly on Saturday. Let's just go for run errands right here. So I'm going to go for date and time. Let's say this is going to be Saturday and Sunday. So now I'm going to go around over here and let's say, for example, set it to 25, set up the time right here on to 10 a.m. and repeat this out every week as well right here on Sunday, on Saturday and Sunday right here, and set it to never ending as well. Similarly, let's just go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say enroll in online class, or let's just go ahead and add a task as take online class right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here and then repeat this. And let's say, for example, I'm going to set the time right here on Monday every, let's say, for example, 6 p.m. right here. And this is going to repeat, like, let's say, for example, every week right here from Monday to Friday. And after, let's say, for example, 60 classes, this will end. So you can go ahead right here, or you can set it to end on a particular date as well. So once you go ahead and do that and press OK, now you can see the repetition right here. And this is how you can go ahead and set it out as you want. And this is what you can do. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to say pay taxes right here. So let's say this is going to be repeated every year. So you can click on repeat right here as well and set it to every year right here and set the time to, let's say, for example, 2 p.m. right here. And this starts July 21st. So this is going to be never. You can press OK and now it says annually. I'm going to go ahead and say pay electricity bill right here. Let's say, for example, so let's say this is going to be on Friday and this will repeat every month right here on the 4th Friday right here. So I can go ahead and set it out and then I'm going to press OK and there you go. So this is basically how you can go ahead and then set out recurring tasks right here inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.